gotta check it out. This video, we are going to talk about tools. That's right, we're going to talk about our tool collection. So we're going to take a look today at our awesome hammers. Check out the hammers. Yeah, these are awesome. We're going to take a look at our clamps. We have 3 different size clamps and 3 different size hammers, guys. So let's take a look at these and let's figure out what they do and which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest. That's right, we can learn our sizes today by checking out what is the smallest and what is the medium size clamp. Take a look at these hammers. Aren't these pretty cool? Which one is the smallest and which one is the biggest? So let's take a look, guys. We're going to find out which one is the smallest to the biggest and what exactly do these things do. Let's start. Okay, so this one is the smallest. See how tiny it is? It has a red handle and an orange top. And this one is our smallest and our And then, let's take a look at the medium, which is the next size up. It's called medium. This one has an orange handle and a green top. And that one is medium size. And let's put that down and let's take a look at our largest hammer. This is the biggest one. And then we're going to take a look. Let's take a look at our clamps from the smallest to the largest. All right, let's start with our smallest one. It's red colored with a little bit of gray. And that one makes the small size. Next up is our medium size. And that is the one with the blue and orange. That says Power Tool Set on it. That's our medium size. Now, which one do you think is the largest one? That's right, the Black & Decker is the largest clamp. It has a black spinner and orange clip. That's the largest one that we have. So let's take a look at what these can do. If we take one of these little nails, we can tap it in with our hammer, right? We use the hammer, not the clamp. So let's tap that in a little bit there. Tap, tap, tap. All right. So now, let's take a look at what the clamps can do if we put 2 pieces of wood together, and we'll see what they can put together for us. Wow, that's pretty cool. Yep, it holds it together while we tighten up the clamp. Pretty neat, huh? Alright guys, so this is a really cool video. We want you to give us a big thumbs up if you liked our video. And remember, you have to subscribe to the video so you can see our new ones. Every day we have new videos coming out. So definitely subscribe. Alright guys, bye. We'll see you on the
Guys, we're gonna learn a mystery word with our surprise eggs and our toy tool sets. We've got some really cool dump trucks. We've got some bulldozers and our mystery eggs. And in here we get to spell one of our really cool toy tools. So let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back to D&M Toy Club. We are going to learn a word today. So we have to pick one of these really cool toys and then spell our mystery tool. Let's see what we're going to do. We've got all of these really cool toys. Check this out. We've got our saw. We've got hammers. We've got all kinds of saws. And then here is how this is going to work. Then we've got surprise toys inside each of these mystery egg. So we don't know if this is going to be a toy or if it's going to be a letter because we have to spell one of our tools. All right, guys, so let's get started. Which one should we do? Which one? Should we do the jackhammer? The clamp? Or the, the awesome hammer. Let's do the hammer. Let's spell hammer. All right, so here's what we're going to do. All right, so we'll move all of our other tools to the side. And we are going to set our hammer right here so we can see it now. We are going to start picking up eggs at random. Uh-oh, this might be a letter. Let's see. Oh, no, but it's a very cool Lego. Got a Lego figure. Alrighty, so let's pick another one. Oh, this sounds like a letter. I know it's going to be a letter. Oh, it's not a letter. But it is a Pokemon. Pokemon. Oh, he's pretty cool. A little tiny Pokemon. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh, I think that was a letter. He popped right out. Oh, it is a letter. It's the letter M. Guys, we have one of our letters for our word hammer. It's the letter M. All right, so let's take that. We're going to leave it right there. Let's go and grab another one. Surprise egg, guys, or do you think it's a letter? Remember, we're spelling the word hammer. Oh, that's not. But it is a pretty cool toy. Let's take a look at our next one. All right, I don't know. Is this going to be a letter, or is this going to be a toy? It's a pretty cool little... Oh, wow, it's a horse. That's like the smallest horse I've ever seen. All right, let's take a look. We have to get it. Oh, this is going to be a letter. I know it is a letter. Which letter is it? It's the letter A. Letter A. Okay, so we have M, A for our hammer. Let's take a look at our next one. Oh, I think this is a toy. That doesn't sound like a letter. It is. Oh, it's a Shopkin. Pretty cool Shopkin. All right, we're moving on. We gotta get some more letters. I know this is gonna be a letter. Do you think this is a letter? Yep, I think it is. It's the letter M. So we have another letter for our word. It's the letter M. So A, M, and M. Remember, it's hammer. Hammer. So let's take a look. Let's grab the pig. Let's see if the pig has any letters or toys. I think it's a no, it's a Pokemon. It's another Pokemon toy. Alrighty. Let's take a look. Oh, I think this might be a letter. You know what? Let's try one of these. I think this is a letter, guys. We got it. It's a Shopkin. Oh, that's kind of a cute little Shopkin. It's like a shoe. Yeah, it is a shoe. Cute little Shopkin. Alright, let's go to the next egg. Oh, I know this is going to be a letter. We're spelling the hammer. Oh, but this is a really cool, this is a miniature construction truck. Small one. Oh, let's go for a big egg. Look at the size of this. Look at the size of this. Huge. Alright, here we go. Oh, this has got to be another letter. Good, we're going to spell... Nope, not a letter yet. Oh, it's a little crab. Awesome. Alright, let's go on to our next one. I bet you guys this is going to be... It is a letter! Cool, cool, it's a letter. It's the letter H. So we're going to spell hammer, and hammer starts with the letter H. So H, A, M, M. We got only 2 more letters to go, guys. Let's see what we got. No, it's a surprise toy. Cool. Let's get we're going to grab another one. Let's get the blue guy here. Oh, it's Peppa Pig's friends. One of Peppa Pig's friends. I forgot her name. I think it's Elsa. Alright, here we go. It's a... Oh, it's not a letter. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Oh, I know this is another letter. We're going to spell it. It's not a letter. What is this? It's a duck. Oh, duck. Crackers. Oh, crackers. Alright, the cow's got it. The cow's gonna have it. We need H-A-M-M-E-E-R. Oh, it's a minion. Cool. They're like little candies, these guys. I'm gonna put him right there. He's a cutie. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Oh, this is it. All right, H-A-M-M. We need 2 more letters. Let me see. Oh no, this isn't a letter, not yet. But it's another Shopkin. Surprise toy. Alright, let's take a look, guys. We're getting there. We only have a few left. Let's take a look. Nope, it's another Pokemon. It's a Pokemon. Okay, guys. Let's grab the purple one. It's a letter. I know it is a letter. It is the letter E. Guys, we are getting there. E. Hammer. H-A-M-M-E. Let's see. We have one more letter. I know we do. I know where he's definitely got to be here. Oh, we got the farmer. Let me get the farmer. Oh, no. It's the Paw Patrol candies. What? It is. Those look good. I think I'm going to snack on those. Oh, we'll do it later. Okay. All right, we only have 3 left. We gotta spell our word. Oh, it's a Shopkin. It's a Shopkin. Cute, cute. All right, here we go. Almost done, guys. Let's see, is this the letter that we need? No, it's another Pokemon. I think he's called Mewtwo. Yeah, Pokemon. All right, this is it. Here we go, guys. This has got to be it. H-A-M-M-E. Hammer, guys. How do we spell hammer? H-A-M-M-E. R. You got the letter. Yes, we got it. It's R. Hammer. That's right. H-A-M-M-E-R. Hammer. Cool, guys. If you liked the video, guys, remember, give us a big thumbs up. And down here in the corner, right around here, if you guys aren't subscribed, you got to be a clubster, a D&M clubster. You got to subscribe so you can see our new videos every single day. Thanks, guys. We'll see you again. Wave bye, Minion.